close your eyes. Try to remember your breakfast today. Can you taste it? Now, try to remember your 10th birthday. What exactly is that memory? A perfect recording, or a brilliant reconstruction of data that your brain assembles every time you access it? The line between reality and our perception of it is one of the deepest questions in neuroscience. You've been told that the idea of living in a simulation is just science fiction. But this hypothesis is seriously debated in the halls of universities like Oxford and Stanford. Not because there is proof, but because it is a surprisingly logical conclusion that arises from some of the brightest minds in physics and philosophy, like Nick Bostrom. The question is not whether we can find a glitch, but whether the very nature of our universe points to it being, in essence, computable. The deepest clue is not in the limits of reality, but at its core. The laws of physics, from the movement of planets to the behavior of particles, are written in the language of mathematics. Constants like the speed of light or the force of gravity are fixed parameters throughout the cosmos. MIT physicist Max Tegmark proposes that the universe is not just described by mathematics, but that it is a mathematical structure. And what is a computer simulation, at its heart, but an autonomous universe that operates on mathematical rules and parameters? Now think about how the world behaves at its most fundamental level. Quantum mechanics teaches us something disconcerting. Particles can exist in multiple states at once, a cloud of probabilities, until we measure them. The moment an observer interacts with them, their state collapses into a single, definite outcome. This has led some to wonder, why would reality need to render a specific state only when a consciousness observes it? It's an idea reminiscent of an efficient computing system, which only processes the information that needs to be displayed. Finally, there is the logical argument from philosopher Nick Bostrom. He posits that one of these three statements must be true. 1. Every advanced civilization goes extinct before they can create reality like simulations. 2. Every advanced civilization, for some reason, completely loses interest in creating them. 3. We are almost certainly already living inside a simulation, being honest with our own technological trajectory and our interest in creating virtual worlds. Option 2 seems unlikely. Option 1, the idea of a great filter that prevents us from advancing, is a very real and somber possibility. But if civilizations can and want to create these simulations, then the number of simulated realities would be billions of times greater than the one base reality. By pure statistics, in which one would you be more likely to find yourself? The laws of physics could be the code. The universal constants, the system settings. The strange quantum nature, a resource optimization strategy.no. There are no glitches in the matrix or hidden messages. The evidence is more subtle and profound. It lies in the fact that the universe obeys rules and seems designed to be known. The question is no longer whether this is a simulation. The question is, if our universe is computable, what does it say about us that we are the part of the system that has evolved to be able to understand it?